But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes...
First of all, I would like to welcome you all to this press conference. In this occasion, we would like to have Mr. Kirtan. Before the presentation begins, I would like you all to know that Mr. Kirtan is the Assistant Project Director of Sanitary Landfill Project in Pagoh. Without further ado, is there any question for him?
Can you explain to us what is the proposed project that will replace the landfill in Bakri?
A landfill of approximately 6.8 hectares had been operated about 17 years ago, and now it is already full. So it is time we replace it with a new one. We shut it down and replace it with a new landfill in Pagoh, away from the residential areas. Unlike the landfill in Bakri, landfill in Pagoh was a type of sanitary landfill, or can be said as closed system, that proved to be more efficient than the landfill.
Explain to us what is the effect of the early emerging when the landfill was built at that area.
Noted that the project site is indeed an already disturbed land. The proposed project will likely cause the loss of plant cover, which is permanent, and further cause the loss of surface soil due to erosion. However, since most of the species identified are common weeds and plants that are not rare or threatened, the losses are not significant. The loss of habitat for fauna will also occur due to proposed project. Since the project site is not a major habitat and resident animals are few in species and number, the impacts are considered not significant.
How about the leachate, Mr. Kirtan? Does the leachate treatment system have the adequate capacity to prevent discharge of untreated leachate during period of heavy rainfall?
It is likely that torrential rains falls frequently on the project area. The capacity of leachate treatment system must be designed with sufficient capacity to handle possible peak flows during torrential rains, or otherwise untreated leachate may be discharged into surface waters, causing unacceptable surface water contamination.
What actions will be carried out to overcome this problem?
Some of the leachate collected in the balancing tank will be recirculated to landfill. The benefits of leachate recirculation are reduction of organic content in leachate and increase in recovery of landfill gas and waste stabilization rate.
Thank you, Mr. Kirtan. What are your expectations of the new landfill, and do you have anything to add before we end?
I hope the project will solve the issue of landfill and will provide comfort to residents of Mohd.
That's all for today. Thank you for attending this press conference.